How to submit a ticket in Gcash. First, hop into your Gcash app, then log into your account. In the Gcash main tab, tap the profile button below, then tap the help option. Now in the help center, tap the chat with Gigi to access the chatbot of Gcash, wherein you can talk with it about your concerns. Next, simply agree on Gcash privacy policy, then provide your full name. After that, enter your concern category. For example, you have an issue on your account verification. Simply choose account verification to ensure that your ticket is directed to the right department that can respond on your concern. After that, tap the Submit a Ticket button, then fill out the required fields like your email address, Gcash registered name, your mobile number, and etc. You may also be asked to provide supporting documents such as screenshots or other relevant files. The support team will be able to thoroughly evaluate your concern if the information you provide is accurate and complete. Ensure all the required information has been included in your submission and click the Submit button. By doing so, you will send your ticket to the Gcash support team, who will provide you with further assistance. Wait for about 24 to 48 hours for the support team to deal with your issue, and make sure to check your email or your Gcash notification regularly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.